Do-do-do-do-do. Check me out. I'm over here doing you a service, doing some work. What kind of work is my girl doing for you? Painting. Nice job. Now I'm going to paint this beautiful picture. That's my work. Then I'm going to sell you the good, the masterpiece. It's $500. Wow. Just kidding. All right, here's our instructions. Watch this teacher video, thank you, to illustrate and label one good and one service in your Google slide. Here's what you're going to find in your Google slide today. 1, 2 pages to complete. The first one says, read it with me. The good I would like to sell or trade is a blank. Here's what you'll do. You'll mark the box of sell or trade. Which one are you going to do? Sell me a good or trade me a good? Once you've decided how you're exchanging this good with me, then on this line, tell me, what's the good? What are you going to sell me? Or what are you going to trade me? What can I use or touch? Then in this box, you will illustrate for me. You selling or trading me. What's the good that you wrote here on this line? I'll see a marked box, I'll see a word, and I'll see a picture. Your next one says, read it with me, the service I would like to, here we go again, sell or trade. The work, the job you're going to do for me. Are you going to sell it to me? Or are you going to trade me a work for a work? And then on this line, what's the job you can do for me? In the box, illustrate. Are you selling me a job? Or are you trading me a job for a job? I should see in this picture. You'll mark your box and you'll write it on your line. Let's go look at my Google slide so you know exactly how to complete yours. It's almost your turn. Get yourself ready. Eyes on your screen, paying attention, ears on. You've already found your slide. Blah, 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 money mouth. An arrow up to get your personalized slide with your name on it Tuesday. Once you come to your slide, today all we're doing is illustrating and writing, so we can use the pen. We don't need to go out to Google Slide. We're not moving any items. So click on that pen icon, then arrow over, review your goods and services. You'll show me a good, you'll show me a service. Review that. You're going to buy. Nope, you're not buying today. You're selling or you're trading. There's those 2 words you'll need. And then here's your first page to complete. I'll do one with you, and then it'll be your turn. The good I would like to sell or trade is a blank. All right, I'm going to grab, I like the color green. I am trading a good today. And my good that I am trading is a banana, period. You cannot copy my banana. Now, I told you that I am trading, so that means I should have, I'm getting something for my banana. Here's me. Here's my friend I'm trading. We're very happy today. And I've got brown, messy wackadoo hair, and he's got some black spiky hair. Hands, this is a fair trade. I'm giving you details because you know I like details. I'll show you exactly what I think you should do. Don't copy me, but lots of details. Those are shorts, not a skirt. Sorry, my friend. Okay. Now that we've got some clothes on, I know we only have one leg. I'll give you more details later. I said I am trading a what? Banana. Here's my banana that I'm going to give to him. Now, what would be a fair trade? A banana for a what? Apples? Grapes? I like grapes. I'm going to get the purple. Ooh, that was easy and fun. And show you the grapes. And I'm even going to add a little arrow label so you know this is a trade. A banana trading for the grapes. Check my work. I marked my box. The good I would like to trade is I filled in my label, banana. And then look at all that detail in my picture. This is me, whoopsies, trading the banana with my friend. Banana is a fair trade for the grapes. Now that I've completed one side, I'll arrow over to the next one. The service I would like to, once again, sell or trade. Then write in with your words, what is the service? You can always go back and check what's a service if you don't remember. You will draw me the service. If it's a trade, you'll have two services. What's the trade for? Or if you're selling your service, someone's giving you money for that job. Write what the job is, and then use your details in your picture. And when you're done, we come up to the top and we click Save. Wait for all of your work to load. Then you can X out top left. You see your edited slide here. Then orange button to turn in. One more time to turn it in. Take your time and give me lots of detail on that slide. I can't wait to see what goods and services you will sell or trade today. Adios, amigos.